This bull is in his prime. He protects the herd and fathers all the calves. His is a greatly sought-after rank. And that means that in the mating season, he has to deal with rivals. Raking the ground is a warning to other males to keep away. But some ignore it. He now has no choice but to defend his crown. The challenger attacks. Each male weighs nearly half a ton. These clashes are usually short and intense, but not this time. As his family looks on, neither gives in. The bull will need to draw on all his experience. But he's beginning to lose ground. Now he's broadsided. If he's defeated, he will lose all his females. With one final effort, the bull pushes the challenger back up the hill. It's over. The old bull successfully defended his rights as head of the family.